everyone, Miss Maryanne here with another wacky holiday, and today, May 4th, is Bird Day, so I'm going to share some bird stories with you. Our first story is called Early Bird, written by Tony Yulee and shared with permission of the publisher Fewell and Friends Book. Early Bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can, takes a deep breath of fresh morning air, and then Early Bird gets going. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden where she finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on top of a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together, they share an early breakfast. Our next story for Bird Day is Birds, written by Kevin Henkes and shared with permission of the publisher Green Willow Books. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big or little, or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. They didn't move, and they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away, at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled. Surprise! If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't go home to their nests. I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Our last story for Bird Day is Peck, Peck, Peck by Lucy Cousins and shared with permission of the publisher Candlewick Press. Today, my daddy said to me, it's time you learn to peck a tree. Now hold on tight, that's very good. Then peck, 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 peck the wood. Peck, 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 oh look, yippee! I've pecked a hole right through this tree. Darling, you're such a clever bird. That hole you've pecked is so superb. Now off you go, my little one. Practice hard and have some fun. So off I flew, I couldn't wait, across the grass and onto the gate. Peck, peck, peck. And now I'll peck this big blue door, then go inside and peck some more. Peck, peck, peck. I pecked the hat, I pecked the mat, the tennis racket, and the jacket. I peck a magazine, a picture of Aunt Geraldine, an armchair, a teddy bear, and a book called Jane Eyre. I pecked the shirt, I pecked the skirt, some slipper socks, and polka dots. I pecked the soap, the blue shampoo, I pecked the sink, and the toilet too. I peck an eggplant, a tangerine, a butter dish, a nectarine, a green bean, a sardine, and 17 jelly beans. I peck and peck and peck and peck. I peck, peck, until there's nothing left to peck. I've pecked and pecked, I've been so busy, but now I'm tired and rather dizzy. I think I'll fly back to my nest, find my dad, and have a rest. Oh, Daddy, I've had so much fun. You should see the holes I've done. I absolutely love to peck. I love to peck. That's fantastic, Daddy said, and now it's time you went to bed. Good night, sleep tight. I love you. I love you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed all of our stories for Bird Day, and we'll see you soon again with another wacky holiday.